Find or read reviews that people are talking about TOREAD portable folding steam sauna with 1000 watt generator and remote control. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Effortless setup. Assemble the TOREAD portable steam sauna in just 1 minute. Its durable design includes a sweat-absorbing chair, machine washable mats, and remote control for easy operation. Save space with its foldable design. High quality. Crafted from high-quality thermal insulation fabric, this sauna prevents heat loss and is easy to clean. Its 304 stainless steel steamer lining ensures resistance to high temperatures and corrosion. The leak-proof bottom and sturdy stool enhance durability. Rapid heating. Enjoy fast heating in just 6 minutes with the 2.6 liters steam pot. With 9 gear settings and a maximum temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, indulge in a relaxing sauna experience for up to 120 minutes. Safety assured. The steam pot automatically shuts off when water levels are low, ensuring safe usage. A safety valve on the steam pot further guarantees protection by releasing pressure if the steam hose becomes blocked. Unwind in style. Free your hands with convenient zippers, allowing for snacks or phone access. Dive into leisure with activities like reading, watching movies, or listening to music, all while basking in the tranquility of your personal sauna retreat. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.